Okay. Write down the question fast. If minus 4 is the root of the equation, is the root of the equation x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0, and the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots. Okay. One minute. This is P. Okay. Find the value of P and Q. Okay. So what is given? Minus 4 is the root of the equation x square plus px minus 4. And the equation has equal roots. Find the value of P and Q. This is the thing. And how to do? First thing, when minus 4 is root of the equation, what does it mean? Here, root of the equation. What do you mean by this? Minus 4 is the root of this equation. Yeah, then what I can conclude from this? Correct. Tejasvi? Root of the solution of the equation, 0 of the equation, everything same. That means what? If I substitute x is equal to minus 4, the total answer of that will be equal to 0. Correct? Sit here only, na? P of x is equal to x square plus px minus 4. Okay, quadratic equations revision we are doing. So now x is equal to minus 4 is the root. That means if I substitute x is equal to minus 4, the total answer of that will be 0. That is the meaning of root. Correct? P of minus 4 is equal to x square is minus 4 whole square plus p into what you are taking then. Right? P into minus 4 here. So this is minus 4 whole square is what? 4 minus 4 into minus 4. 16 you will get. 16 minus 4p minus 4. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4p. So 12 minus 4p will be equal to 0. So find p and tell me what is p value. P is 3. Right. P is equal to 3. Now I got p value here because here also same p is there. P is equal to 3 now. Now he is telling they have equal roots. Substitute and find x square plus 3x plus q is there. Now they are having equal roots. Second condition, equal roots means what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 is the condition. Here substitute in this condition. Understood? Again I repeat, see here. Minus 4 is the root of the equation. That means what? Minus 4, if I substitute for the x value, the total answer will be 0. That is the meaning of root, solution or 0 of the equation. Okay, so when we substitute, instead of x, if I substitute this minus 4, then it will come to 12 minus 4p, which should be equal to 0. So p, I got it as 3. Here also you have p. So x square plus 3x plus q. Now this is the second equation. Here we have equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay. Substitute and find the q value. What is b? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to q. Substitute that, find the q value. This is MCQ questions. Many times it will come similar to this. Or max it may be 2 marks. That is, yeah, 9K. So that roots will this equation has equal roots. Are equal. So roots are equal means what? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So now I understood. First substitute x is equal to minus 2 in this equation. So total answer should be 0 because it is the root of the equation. So from that find the p value. That p you substitute here. Okay. Now in this equation they have given they have equal roots. Equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So put what is a, b and c, substitute here, fine. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to k into 4x plus k minus 1 and c is equal to p value, whatever you will get, you should substitute. 300 p value you got. How much you got? What about this? You got Lakshmi k value also.
K I'm not.
Okay. So we have 3x square plus 7x plus p is equal to 0. Substitute that 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 7 into minus 2 plus p should be equal to 0 here. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 7 2s are 14. Plus p is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus p is equal to 0. P is equal to 2. Okay. So here c is equal to 2 you will get. B square. What is b square here? K into 4. This b how I can write? 4k. Why so late? Aram se you are coming. You will know, no? Tuition, what is the time? Huh? So here, first, see here, listen here, x square plus 4kx. Okay. Plus k into, this is k square minus k. This is the plus p. This is the equation, correct? X square plus 4kx. So this will be the c value plus k square minus k plus. So this is c. B is equal to 4k. A is equal to 1. That you substitute, you will get. Write down this, we will. Understood or not? See, x square coefficient is a. So a is equal to 1. K is a constant. Okay. What is b value? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. So this if I split, what I will get? 4kx. 4kx plus k into k is k square. Then plus into minus, minus k plus p is there. Okay. For this x, what is the coefficient? 4k is the coefficient. So b is equal to 4k. Okay. So what is c? K is a constant. So k square minus k plus p is the constant. So c will be equal to k square minus k plus 2. Okay. With b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Because roots are equal, no? So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. You have to substitute. Okay. So x coefficient separately you should multiply and take it separately now and do it. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4k, C is equal to k square minus k plus 2. Okay. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b? 4k whole square minus 4 into 1 into k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. 4k whole square is what? 4k into 4k. 4 4 is 16, 16k square. So 16k square minus 4 into k square is 4k square, minus into minus plus 4k, minus into plus minus 4 2 is 8 is equal to 0. So here it is 8k square plus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Correct. 4 12 no? 12 cases. Now I can divide by 4 each term. 12 by 4 is 3. 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation, find the k value. 3k square into 2 is minus 6k square. 3 and 2, 3k, 2k. This is plus and this is minus. So what you will get? 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k if I take, what else is remaining? K plus 3. K plus 1. Here, if I take minus 2 common, here k plus 1. So k is equal to minus 1 or k is 3k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2. This is the answer. Is it? Understood? Huh? It will be easier to simplify. So you can keep it up. See, if I am dividing, I have to divide by each number also I am dividing. You can use directly also, but dividing it will be easier to solve. Okay. So constant term, coefficient of x, separate it, then solve. Clear? Clear? Written? It's written. Everyone there? You're writing, Kisha? Done, everyone? Okay. Try the next question, everyone. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. One question it will come most of the time. It's important. Okay. Find the value of k for which equation has real roots. That is, the equation has the real roots. Okay. First one, k x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. It has real roots. Now find the value of k. Good question. In the same thing, 3x square plus 2x plus k is equal to 0. Okay. Plus 2x plus k is equal to 0. Okay. So here what is telling, it has real roots. That is, b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Then it is real roots. Okay, because he has not only given equal, they have given real roots also. It can be anything like that. Now, okay, so what is A? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, C is equal to K. Okay, so 2 square minus 4 into 3 into K should be greater than or equal to 0. 2 square is 4 minus 12k should be greater than or equal to 0. Now 12k I will shift to this side because minus will not be there. So 4 should be greater than or equal to 12k, or 12 if I shift here, 4 by 12 should be greater than k. That means what? K should be less than or equal to 4 by 12 or k should be less than or equal to 1 by 3. When it is real root, so it will be like this, not equal. Okay, understood? Listen once this question. B square minus 4ac. Here he is not only telling equal roots. Equal means equal to 0. It is easy to do. Real roots he is telling, that is b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to. It can be any condition. Okay. So I am asking whether whatever 4 you are getting, 4k should be greater than or equal to 4 or less than or equal to 4. That condition I am asking. Okay. Listen here. What is A? A is equal to 2. B is equal to K. C is equal to 2. Okay. D is K. K square minus 4 into 2 into 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. K square minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. It should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So when this condition is greater than or equal to 0 means what? If k is equal to 4, correct? K is equal to 4, what you will get? Equal to 0 you will get. So k can be 4. That is one condition. If it should be greater than 0 means this should be more than 16, then only greater than. That means what? It can be greater than 4 also. Correct? No? So k can be greater than or equal to 4. Not only equal, it is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, listen here. For example, alpha is A means beta will be 1 by A because 1 is the reciprocal of the other. Okay. So alpha into beta is what? A into 1 by A. Correct. That is equal to C by A. Okay. So 1 is equal to what is CK? A is equal to 3. So K is equal to 3. Okay. See here. See, two natural numbers. So if one is x, other is y, x plus y is equal to 27. Y is what? 27 minus x. Correct? No? Product of that is what? X into 27 minus x is equal to 1. Yeah. Listen here. Listen. If two numbers, if I take x and y, x plus y is 27 or y is equal to what? 27 minus x. So one number I will write it as 27 minus x, other is x. Product of that is 182. X into 27, 27x minus x into x square is equal to 182. Okay. Now I want plus x square. So this only I will shift to the other side. 182 minus 27x plus x square is equal to 0. That means x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, solve. You can solve now. Solving you people do. Okay, next question. Okay. She has given one question. We'll do that. Use the formula and directly you can do. No? You want me to do the problem? After this, do this problem, solve m by n x square plus 2x plus n by m minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the question. Solve for x. Okay, listen here. M by n x square plus 2x plus n by m minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, he is telling to solve by quadratic formula only. Okay. Listen here now. I first take the LCM. LCM is M and N is there. M into N will be the LCM. Okay. LCM by denominator. M by N will be what? This and this. If I cancel, M is there. So M into M, M square, X square plus M into 2 into M N into X plus M into M, if I cancel, N into N is N square. N square minus M into N is equal to 0. This into this will be 0. What you will get? M square X square plus 2mn X plus N square minus Mn is equal to 0. I've taken the LCM. That's all. Okay. So LCM will be just multiply M into N because one M is LCM will be just multiplication of two numbers M into N. Okay. Huh? Which LCM to know that just everything. Now listen. A is equal to M square. Be quiet. A is equal to M square. B is equal to 2m into n. And C is equal to n square minus m because he has asked to solve using the formula. Okay. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So here minus 2m into n plus or minus root of 2mn whole square minus 4 into m square into n square minus mn by 2 into m square. Okay. So x is equal to minus 2m into n plus or minus root of 4m square n square minus 4m square into n square minus into minus plus 4m into n. Whole thing by 2m square. So x is equal to minus 2m into n plus or minus root of 4m into n divided by 2m square. 2 you can, 2mn. 2 only you can take common. Mn how you will take? Root how you can take it out? M square is there, I can take m. So I can, x I can write 2 if I take common and I cancel. M minus mn plus root of mn by m square. And x is equal to minus mn minus root of mn by m square. These are the roots. A two-digit number. First, how to write a two-digit number? Two-digit number, for example, if there is 84. 84 means what? 8 into 10 plus 4, correct? Okay. 84 means 8 into 10 plus 4. No, that is the meaning 84. That is, so two-digit number will be like this. So how to write a two-digit number? Tens place, it is 10 into that number. So two-digit number, any two-digit number is equal to 10x plus y, where x is in the tens place, y is in the ones place. This much understood now? Now, a two-digit number is 5 times the sum of the digits. So, two-digit number is equal to 5 times of what? Sum of digits. digits are x and y are the digits. Sum of that is what? X plus y. So what you will get? 10x plus y is equal to 5x plus 5y. First one only I'm solving. So 5x if I shift here, or 10x minus 5x is equal to 5y minus y, or 5x is equal to 4y. This one you got? Yes. This is one thing. Keep it as it is. Next. Sum of digits, and it is also equal. A two-digit number is 5 times the sum of digits and is also equal to. So it is also equal to means what? 10x plus y is also equal to 5 more than. More than means 5 plus. Twice the product of the digits. 2 times the product of. Okay. So here x into y is there. No, x you can write it as 4y by 5. Correct? In this equation, substitute. Instead of y only you can write, because always you are using this something. No? Okay. Write y is equal to 5x by 4. Substitute that. Find the quadratic equation. So 10x plus, instead of y I can write 5x by 4. So that is equal to 5 plus 2 into x into 5x by 4. So 10x plus 5x by 4 is equal to 5 plus 5x square by 2. Take the LCM, cross multiply, simplify.
Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.